The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own thoughts. Don't wait for opportunities. Create them. Success is not about being the best. It's about being better than you were yesterday. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. You have to fight through some bad days to earn the best days of your life. The biggest mistake you can make is to be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to enjoy your life or to be happy. That's all that matters. Success is not a destination. It's a journey. If you want to change the world, change yourself. Don't wait for someone else to make your dreams come true. Take action and make them happen. The best way to predict your future is to create it. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Success is not measured by what you accomplish, but by the opposition you have encountered and the courage with which you have maintained the struggle against overwhelming odds. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Chase your dreams until you catch them. And then dream bigger. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't let what you cannot do interfere with what you can do. If you want to make your dreams come true, the first thing you have to do is wake up. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Life is 10 what happens to us and 90 how we react to it. There is no substitute for hard work. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never done. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Be the change you want to see in the world. Don't let success go to your head and failure to your heart. Success is not the absence of failure, it's the persistence through failure. The only way to achieve success is to have a positive attitude. Your attitude determines your altitude in life. Every day is a new opportunity to be better than yesterday. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Don't give up on your dreams just because you had a few setbacks. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Believe in yourself. Take on your challenges. Dig deep within yourself to conquer fears. Never let anyone bring you down. You got this. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday.